In the quest to install Windows 11 in seconds, one might consider time travel. A trusty time machine would zip you into the future where this could be a possibility. Alternatively, years of rigorous training to develop superhuman speed might do the trick. Moving at unimaginable velocities, you could install Windows 11 in what feels like mere moments. If temporal manipulation or superspeed are out of reach, consider hiring a magician. A skilled illusionist could make it appear as though Windows 11 installs in a flash. Or perhaps you've discovered a magical lamp with a wish-granting genie. Use a wish to have Windows 11 installed on your PC in an instant, but choose your words wisely. And don't forget about the power of technological advancement. Maybe someday, installing operating systems will be as quick as a snap of your fingers. While these ideas are purely whimsical, they serve as a reminder. Installing Windows 11 or any operating system is a time-intensive process, not to be rushed.